So in this video I will show you how to formulate in Excel in the duplicate, in price per square feet, and also price per bed. So let's go in the duplicate. So we are, as can you see the address here, so we should identify if this is a duplicate or not here. So we should avoid the duplicate as soon as possible. So here, let's go to the fix Countif. This is the formula I'm using with range. Let's go here, and then criteria is this. So 1, it means there's no duplicate on here. 1 1 1 1 1, no duplicate. Yeah. It's calculating it. Should wait 51, 88%, 65, 73. The reason is too long because it had a lot of data here. It's almost 3,000. No, sorry. 3,527. So the next one is how to calculate the price per square meter. So equal, we should find the price. This is the price. Divide square feet. We should find the square feet here, which is this one, square feet. So drag, double click that one. This one, I don't know what's the reason on it. The reason is there's no name on it, there's no number, so it's automatically, this is the error. So the next is this one, same as usual, price divide bedrooms. Voila, all of them done. So that's all. Control C, and then that's all, guys. Thank you.